Correct? This is the diagram. Correct? Illa. Correct? Correct? Now can anybody tell me how much is y? How much is y? How much is y? Huh? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನ ಇನ್ನೂ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದೈತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ತೆಳ್ಯಾಗ. ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನ, ಇನ್ನೂ ತಲೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸನ್ನ ಈಗ. ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ or no? If this is 130, this also will be. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಇದು 130 ಇದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? How much this will be? X will be how much? Y 130. Y 130. Y 130. Y 130. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪಾ. ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 130 ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾ. If this is 130, why this should be 130? If this is 130, why this should be 130? What is the link like this? ಅವ್ರು ಬಾಯಿನ ಹೊಳಿ ಹೋದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮಾಡಾದಾರ. Alternate interangles. See, first alternate interangles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles. If you know this, I can teach. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಾತಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಬೇಡಿ. ಕಲ್ಸೋದು ಬೇರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೀಚ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಗದಾ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೀಚ್. ನಾ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ತಿಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾತಿಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿದೈತಿ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ. ನಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕುಂದಿರ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಪೂರಾ. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐತಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐತಿ, ನಂಗೆ ತಿಳಿತೈತಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿತೈತಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಬರಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣ? 130 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 130 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅವ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ see here how I will do. First we will do x. Can you see a straight line? Can you see straight line here? X plus 50 degree is equal to how much? 180 degree. Correct? X plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to how much? 180 minus 50 degree. X is equal to 130 degree over. Easy or no? I got the value of x. This is 130 degree. Now getting y, you can do it two ways. Actually AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, if this is 130, this also will become 130. Why? Because alternate interior angles. Or I can go the easiest way. If this is 130, this also will be 130. Why? Because they are intersecting vertically opposite angles. I will write directly y is equal to 130. Why? You can write here vertically opposite angles. Over. Understood or no? Here you write linear pair. Linear pair LP. Okay, read the question. Find x, y, z. Find x. So if I find x, my work is over. Okay. See here. How much is y? It seems y is 3, z is 7. So what I will do here? X plus y is equal to how much? X plus y is equal to how much? Y 180. Adjacent angles. Adjacent. ಅದು ತಲೆಯಾಗಿನೂ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ಸೇನು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಳತ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದು ತಲೆಯಾಗಿನೂ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because adjacent angles, yes or no? Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. And see here, is x equal to z or no? X is equal to z or no? X is equal to z or no? Why? Why x is equal to z? I have shown that. Diagram ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ ಎದಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ? Huh? Alternate? Alternate? See here, they are in the interior. You can see this boundary. They are in the interior side. They are not exterior. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ exterior ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ but they are interior. That means inside. They are packed up inside. So x is equal to z. Why? Because alternate interior angles. Okay, this is given. I have took this. So see here, x plus y is equal to 180 degree adjacent angles. Now x is equal to what? Z. So z plus y is equal to 1 degree. I can write or no? Understood? What I did here? X is equal to z. I took here. Understood or no? X is equal to z. I took. So z plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now z plus y is equal to 180 degree means. Now what can I do further? Okay. See here. Z. Can you see here? I will write here. See here. I will write here. Y is equal to 3. I will take. Y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. Y is equal to 3a. Z is equal to 7a. Understood or no? Y is equal to how much? 3a. Z is equal to 7a. You can take 7x also. You can take this 3x also. But I have took a. Okay. Because already we have x. But now x 2 meter confuse ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So only I took a. So now z. How much is the value of z? How much is the value of z? 7a. Okay. How much is the value of y? 3a. Is equal to 7a plus 3a? 10a. Is equal to a is equal to 18 degree. 180 by 10, 18 degree. Easy? Understood or no? You have the values. Whenever I have y is to z, I have told you to take 3x, 7x, 2 degree. But since I have x, I took 3a, 7a. Understood or no? How I got? Now I got the value of a. Okay. Now, what is its value? How much is, now let's find z. Z is equal to what? 7a. Z is equal to 7a. 7 into how much? 18. Do it. Huh? 126. Pakka. So z is equal to 126. Z is equal to what? X. Z is equal to x. Yes or no? X is equal to. Understood or no? Why z is equal to x? Because they are alternate interior angles. Don't forget that. Alternate interior angles.